Hello friends, welcome to Live Here Do Mathematics. Today we are going to give you our first lecture, and this is a lecture on elementary operations on a matrix. Okay, so today we will learn elementary operations on a matrix. What are the elementary operations? So let us first look at the description. What do we mean by an elementary operation? An elementary operation on a matrix A over a field F is an operation of the following three types. So an elementary operation on a matrix A can be of the following three types: that interchange of any two rows of A, multiplication of a row by a non-zero scalar C in F, and addition of scalar multiple of one row to another row. Okay, so now we will understand what the statements mean. Okay, now first look at, if you are not familiar with field, okay, then I am describing this. So consider F as the field of real numbers. Okay, now a matrix over a field R, it stands a matrix over a field R. Instead of F you pronounce R, so it means that the entries of the matrix A are from the set of real numbers. Okay, so a matrix over a field R means the elements of the matrix are from the set of real numbers. Okay, now it is clear to you. So now let us look at the operations. Now elementary operation means these three types of row operations. Okay, now interchange of two rows of A. Okay, so now let us take a matrix A. I have told you that our field is real number, so we will take the entries from real number. So 1 is a real number, you know, 0 is a real number, here is 0, here is 1. Here I cannot take I, the complex number I, because that is not from the set of real numbers. Okay, but as a row operation that will also be correct, but I am not taking here because the field is R. Okay, so now 1 0 0 1 is our matrix A from the field R. Okay, instead of F, if you take C, then you can take here I, 2I, like this. Okay, so now interchange of two rows means this is our first row, this is row 1, and this is our second row, row 2. So if we interchange the two rows, then we have this first row will become the second row, so here will be 1 0, and the second row will become the first row, so 0 1. And how to denote this? So we can denote this by R 1 2. Okay, so the two row are changes. The 1 and 2 row are, the row 1 is changed to row 2 and the row 2 is changed to row 1 for arbitrary any matrices. And if it is 3 by 3 matrix, so if you change the first row and third row, you can write it at R13. So actually the notation is Rij for arbitrary ith row and jth row. Okay, now we will understand the second operation, elementary row operation: multiplication of a row by a non-zero scalar C in F. Okay, so again take a matrix A as, you can now take the matrix 1 2 3 4. Okay, now multiplication of a row by a non-zero scalar. Okay, now just multiply the first row with 2. Okay, so if we multiply the first row with 2, then it will become 2 into 1 2, it will become 2 into 2 equals to 4, and the second row will remain unchanged. Okay, so how to denote this? So we can denote this by, so we are multiplying the rth, which row? First row, so R1 by C, so C is 2, so we can write this as 2 into R1 because we have multiplied the first row. If we have multiplied the second row, we can write it 2R2. Okay, or equivalently we can write this as R1 2. It means that the first row is multiplied with 2. So actually the general notation is Ri2, that is the ith row is multiplied by the scalar 2, or here you can write C. Actually the ith row is multiplied by the scalar C, or we can write as CRI, that is the ith row is multiplied by the scalar C. Okay, now let us understand the third operation, that is addition of a scalar multiple of one row to another row. So let us take the matrix as 1 0 1 1. Okay, now addition of a scalar multiple, so now we multiply the first row by 2, that is 2R1, and add it to the second row. So we can write it multiplying the first row by 2 into R1, so multiplying the first row with 2 and adding it with the row 2. So what will become? look, if we first multiply, so our row 1 is not changing, so write row 1. Now what we are doing, the multiplying the first row by 2 and adding into the row 2. So if we multiply the first row by 2, it will become 2 into 1 2, then add it to this, so 2 plus 1 equals to 3. You can multiply this by 2 into 0 plus add it to this, 2 into 0 equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So this is 2r1 plus r2. Equivalently we can write this as r, so multiply the first row, so we will write here 1 and add it to the second row by 2. So it means we have multiplied the first row by 2 and added this row to the second row. So the general notation is r I j 2. That is, we have multiplied the ith row by 2 and added it to the jth row. Okay, so these are the elementary row operation. Look here, we have used only rows. Similarly, this can be formulated for columns. So instead of row, if we write column, it will be elementary column operations. Okay, so here instead of row, we can write column, that is interchange of two columns, multiplication of one column by a non-zero scalar c, and addition of a scalar multiple of one column to another column. So then it will be elementary column operations. So elementary row operations and elementary column operations both are covered, and these three operations are called elementary row operations. And here we have all the examples given 2 by 2 matrices to understand better, but the operations will be similar for 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 case. Okay, so it does not matter. So thank you friends, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Stay tuned with us because we will come back shortly with this kind of video again. Thank you.